Today was just an ordinary afternoon. Our little backyard had become a bit untidy. Dry leaves covered the ground, and the grass had grown taller after several days of rain. Before making dinner, my two siblings, my daughter and I, spent some time cleaning the garden together. Whenever the garden feels neat again, the whole house somehow feels more peaceful too.
Dây này nó dài nhỉ? Nó bám lên trên mít nào. Xem ơi xem. Cái đây mẹ cho quả mít rụng này. Rơi nè. Ôi, đây mít rụng.
I picked a few fresh sweet potato leaves from our little garden. With just a little garlic, they become one of my favorite dishes. I love cooking with something we've grown ourselves, not because it saves money, but because it brings a simple kind of happiness. By the time we finished, evening was slowly falling. Tonight, I decided not to use the gas stove. Instead, I lit a small wood fire, just like the ones I remember from my childhood. The gentle crackle of the fire, the soft smell of wood smoke. Some feelings can only be found around a wood fire. It had been a long time since I cooked this way. A wood fire isn't as quick as a gas stove. It asks for patience before the cooking even begins. And somehow, as the flames grew stronger, I felt myself slowing down too. While I prepared the meal, my siblings and my daughter naturally found little ways to help. No one had to ask. Everyone simply joined in. I think that's what makes family meals so special. Today's main dish was braised pork with fresh figs, a simple meal my family has always loved. As the pork gently simmered over the wood fire, its aroma slowly filled the garden. It's a smell that always brings back childhood memories. The happiest part of today wasn't the food. It was watching my daughter quietly standing beside the fire, fascinated by the dancing flames. For her, it was something new. For me, it was a piece of my childhood. Perhaps one day, she'll remember this evening the same way I remember mine.
Cảm ơn gì nào vậy?
Như cái nồi nó đang đen đen.
Cái nồi này phải đen chứ, tao bếp cũ nó đen nó còn.
Ready.
Dinner was finally ready. Nothing fancy, just a few simple dishes shared with the people I love. Life often encourages us to move faster, but sometimes an afternoon spent cleaning the garden, lighting a wood fire, and cooking together is enough to remind us that happiness is often found in the simplest moments. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful evening with my family. I hope this little video brings a few moments of peace to your day. I'll see you again in the next video.